The Rajya Sabha has been informed that in the last 5 years, Goa leads in coastal zone regulation violations. Now, who is ruling this state? Is it not the BJP? Is not the greed of these rulers of the BJP being exposed? Is the BJP preparing a man-made disaster by destroying the ecosystem? The ecosystem consists of rivers, marshy land, wetlands, etc. Is the rulers so blind that they are not aware that such a scenario, a disaster can hit the state in many ways? Are the eyes of our rulers open to what is happening just now at Turkey? Can anyone determine the reason of it and destroy our sensitive situation here in Goa? What are you doing? TMC demands that the CM, the Environment Minister, TCP Minister and those involved open up their eyes and see what is happening around. Before further damage, TMC demands to protect the ecosystem, come what may. Do not, in the name of development, destroy Goa, where Goa will not be existing anymore.